Hey guys, my name is Mike Jackness with Ecomcrew, and I am really excited to be speaking again this year at the Global Sources Summit in Hong Kong this April. And this year I'm going to be talking about my 2018 Amazon launch strategy. And unlike a lot of other people that talk about this stuff, it's going to be real actionable advice that can help you launch a brand new listing to number one without doing any black hat or even gray hat techniques. And I'm going to show you exact examples of products that I've been able to do this with in our businesses. So again, I'm really looking forward to this talk along with a mastermind I'm going to be hosting and a panel. It's going to be a jam-packed couple of days. I'm really looking forward to it. We'll see everyone there at the Global Sources Summit. And if you're in the halls and see my face, come by and say hi, shake my hand. I'm looking forward to meeting you.